Good morning, Ray Baca here, Las Cruces Motorsports. Wanted to go over our 2023 CanAm Defender Limited HD10 enclosed cab edition. We're going to go over some of the accessories we added onto this unit. First off, we're going to go with our front corner protectors, added to our front bumper. Also, we added rigid Adapt GPS pod lights. Adapt GPS stands for, as you're on the trail, it's going to give you a spotlight. As you slow down, it's going to actually turn into a floodlight. Moving on to our wheel and tire package, we have a 14-inch black Rhino wheel, 32-inch Bfg mud terrain KM3 tire. Along here, we upgraded the shock suspension to a Zbros shock. Moving along to the back end of the unit, we have a rough country headache rack with a 4-pod light system. We upgraded with a 10-inch light bar. We actually added on a fuel pack, water pack, toolbox, shovel, and jack. We have a removable fire extinguisher just in case. Also, we have a spare tire rack by Rough Country. We also added a CanAm backup rear view mirror. Moving along to the inside of the unit. In there when you're backing up, we also installed a CanAm security desk system. This unit will not start without both keys being in the unit, so good upgrade here. We also have a Garmin GPS system. When you're out there on the trails, you don't want to get lost. We also have a phone charger here. You put your phone in there, it's going to charge it while you're riding. We have this Audioformz level 4 audio system. It's going to come with 4 speakers, mids and highs, 2 10-inch woofers in the back. Has a dome light on here, front light switch, rear light switch, and a radio switch in the middle here with light rings. Definitely gonna keep your guests entertained. Come on down to Las Cruces Motorsports. We'll show you what we have, get you situated, get you in the right unit. Y'all have a good day.